Strong bones are important for everyone. Bones give your body shape. They support you when you move. Strong bones mean you can jump, run, and play. As we get older, our bones can become weaker. This is why it's important to take care of our bones at any age. We can do a lot to keep our bones strong. Eating healthy foods helps build strong bones. Exercise keeps bones strong and healthy. Taking care of our bones now means we can enjoy life to the fullest later. Weak bones can break easily. This is called osteoporosis. Osteoporosis can cause pain and make it hard to do everyday things. When bones are weak, even a small fall can cause a fracture. Fractures can take a long time to heal. Sometimes broken bones need surgery to get better. Weak bones can also lead to bad posture. You might lose height or have a hunched back. This can make it hard to breathe and digest food properly. It's important to catch weak bones early. Talk to your doctor if you're worried about your bone health. You can do a lot to keep your bones healthy and strong. Eat plenty of foods with calcium. Calcium makes bones strong. Dairy products, leafy green vegetables, and almonds are good sources of calcium. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish, and eggs. Weight-bearing exercises like walking and running are great for your bones. Lifting weights strengthens muscles and bones. Don't smoke. Smoking is bad for your bones and overall health. Too much alcohol can also weaken bones. This information is for learning, not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before making big changes to your diet or exercise routine. They can help you create a safe and effective plan for strong bones. Your doctor can also check if you need extra calcium or vitamin D. Remember, healthy habits lead to a healthier you. Take care of your bones today for a stronger tomorrow. Check the video description for recommended resources to help boost bone density. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.